Doesn't see it.
Pag pinasaan mo, mag-design sila. Tatay, tatay, gusto ko ng tinapay. Bakit? Gusto ko ba? Tatay, tatay, gusto Parang mo nga nakasit sa kaya. Ganyan-ganyan naman ang gusto mo.
What the?
Sorry na po, sir.
Bro.
Sorry po, di na po mauulit. Sorry po, di na po mauulit. Kasi nilalaban ka dito. Sorry. Tingnan lang naman yung CR dito, ha? Ito yung CR. May aircon tayo. Ito naman. Eh, wala na yan. Ay! Ay! Good thing.
Let's go!
Masyadong marami nangyayari sa kapaligiran. Ako nang gigigil lang. Wala na, patay na. Wala akong kita. Kuya,
Ah, yo!
kay mamang wallet to ah. Ako. Ay, Popoy. Bakit nasa yung wallet ko? Kalat-kalat po kasi kaya kinuha kung ibibigay ko sa inyo. Kung trick ka na naman ah. Abak ko lang na to. Aba mga light mo, baka pinambili mo na.
Hello, bro. Ha? Wala din na doon? Ano? Wala din yung tao? Papa? Tao? Wala. May na lang. Ah!
Ten toes in when we wait a minute, get it how you live it. Ten toes in when we wait a minute, get it how you live it. Ten toes in when we
Hey yo! Inside and up to the two.
Hindi ko makikita sa mga
Jim, huwag ka masyadong magpakita. Paano yun? Skill ka lang, skill ka lang. Ang kundi yan. Sabi yan. Ayun. Jim, huwag ka masyadong magpakita. Saan pa kayo tayo nagtulak? Oo, ay layo.
Oh! Oh! He just killed me again. Oh. Go. Which shop this is? Well, no.
Uy, di ko na tama. Saan pa kayo tayo nagtulak? Oo, ay layo pa to ya. Yung tatay ko, sarado yung ano yung box. Sarado, hindi na kumakagat. Saan pa kayo tayo nagtulak? Uy, di ko na tama. Ako? Batangas? Eh? Oo. Alay. Ha? Alay. Ikaw Batangas? Oo. Pero hindi naman talaga namin siya alay. Hindi talaga namin siya alay. Alay. Ano, kami mo ko
so busy. He died. He died. What are you doing? So that. You too.
Ay nagpunta sa dagat. Joy, isang sa kanilang bangka. Pero dahil ang
You died again.
silang lalaki, isa sa kanila ay nagpunta para
Hey yo! Just listen.
sa buhaya at tinapon ito sa malapit sa
Yeah.
yan ay isang gagawa ng isang uri ng tao. Ang mga kaibigan ay nagpunta sa dagat para mag-enjoy. Isang buhayang sumira sa kanilang kasiyahan nang sumupad ito sa kanilang bangka. Pero gaya ng makikita mo, hindi ito pinalabas ng malalaki. Isa sa kanila ay naghanda para makipagsuntukan. Tinawagan ng leader ng isang isang bagay ng tao. Hindi ba kayo magpapalitan ay kasi dapat pareho mabaitan ay kasi sir.
Oh! Yes, I am. Oh! We killed him. Oh! He died. What was it? Just jump again. Hey yo! No! What the hell? What was it? I have a idea. You miss. Who's that killing me? What the? Who's that? Yeah. Woman. It's over now. Ay, yung pala! Let's go! Hey, yo, what the? Who shot me? Hey, yo. Hey, yo, what the? So, yeah. Nothing's just scum. Let's go! We need Yo, let's go! What the? It's a guy! Hey, yo! Go to door! You missed. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go! 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 We need to go. Go! Go! Let's go! Dennis. Good shit. Hey yo. Yo, nice shot. Hey yo, what the hell? Just put your friend to me? Whoever. I gotta get some upgrades. Oh, there he is. Let's go! Yo, who's it? Dead body! What the hell?
Yan, uwian na yan. Wala nang babawian. Taradong kayaan.
Hey yo, what's the Mr. Guy? What the hell? You can get. Let's go! It's a dead body. Get some upgrades. Ah! What the? He died. He killed him. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! He got caught! Who's that? Something. This one's over there. Is this a guy? Oh yeah, what the hell? What is that? Wait, there's something. I saw something over there.
How many times a day find yourself staring at this big pet like some creepy soccer? Freedom.
It was a guy. That cool. Down you. Who's that? Who's that? Let's go.
Na may mansa. Unang napapansin ng tao ang mansagin. Kulay ng pag nagsuot ka ng puting na may mansa.
Let's go.
Napapansin ng tao ang mansagin. But tonight,
Let's go. Hey yo. Do I miss? I touched it. It's a lucky lot too. What the hell was that? Who's that? Who's the guy earlier? Something on the back. It was the guy earlier. Oh! You wanted to Google me? Did I show you? I show you, but let's go. Let's go. He's died. He died. Wait, what was that? Ah! He died by sword. Headshot. What the? Who's that? Headshot. There's more in there. What is that? What is that? It's a gun. That's a gun, guys. Do you see that gun? He's a shotgun. Oh. Where is she? Where is she now? Hmm? Yes. Shot. Oh, the door! Oh my goodness! Yes! Yes! Oh, right, audio. This is more like headshot! I almost died. Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh! Let's go. Ah! Headshot! Headshot! Take that! Ah! Let's go! I have a heart! I'm a pig! Headshot! Let's go! Let's go. You thought it is. Almost hit her. Or something. Headshot! You didn't do this to me. What was that? Whoa, whoa. Ah! Oh, go, go, go! Got earlier.
Why, tumatuma?
Wait there, I need to beat this guy. Wait there, I need to beat this guy. I need to beat this guy. Beat it. Yo, what the hell? I can't beat this guy. Have an idea. So cold. So guys, I have an idea. What about to shoot him? Ooh, you died! Ah! Headshot! To come out. It's gonna come out with it. What do you use its boss? Need to kill this. Can beat me. Let's go! Hey, you. Oh, you pro with a go. Goodbye. So fine, huh? Okay. Okay. I down here. Let's go! Do this. It does. The English was fuck. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! This is a massive guy. See you. See you. See you. See him. Where's you? What the guy? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know the idea. Oh shit, you mister. Oh, he just killed him. It's a guy. final. I'm a final. Go! Take that, missile! Ha! Jump up! You did. Oh, what the hell was that? You just shot me. It's a guy. It's a guy. Why am I jumping? Why am I jumping so fast?
Di kaya tayo na yung tubig? Di ba? Patayin mo na, Jay. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Kanina ka pa nagtasan ka ng tubig. Kanina
Okay.
ka pa.
Hello, Victor. Whoa, what was that? It's the missile guys. The missile guys. Ah! Let's go! The missile guys. The missile guy. The missile guy. Good job. Yo, what the hell? Hell yeah! Yo! Go. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god, that's a big jump. The wings are fine. Hey, you what there? What's gonna kill this? Oh, it was the guy over there. Okay. Who's the guy? Who's the guy? What did you do? You do this? Oh yeah. You can beat me. Let's go! Headshot! Take you the revenge. Hmm? What? Is that the guy earlier? Is that a guy earlier? Okay. What was that? He beat me. The guy earlier! It's a big guy. Oh my god! What is? I just beat you on my left. No! You're on a mission. 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 You know what it was talking to you know what's on the way. Big job. Order. Yes,
Halimbawa
go.
na may
Let's
restaurant sa
go.
Japan na mali ang mga order. Ito ay tinatawag na the restaurant mistaken order. Ang kanilang mga waiter at waitress ay mga taong merong demensya. Kahit na mali ang mga order na binibigay sa mga customer, na-enjoy nila ang binigay sa kanila. Gusto mo bang masuko? Para may
Yo! Look at him!
Pasahin ka, yung Andes.
Maya. What is that?
Ay, pala ko.
Hey yo! Let's go!
Yung mga
Ha! Ha! Yo guys,
They had to. It was at this moment that he knew.
Di my fault. Oh! Oh! That's your help? Yes, sir. We're not the total. We're not moving. Coming! Hey, yo! I just shit. Oh my god, what the hell? Just kill me. Where's that on the king? Genie says it guy.
Ay, kain ka nito. Ayaw.
Mami niya kayo sa akin!
What's that?
Kasama niyong babae kagabi!
Sarap to. Sarap to.
Guy
Kay,
boy.
bilis.
Fine, what do you need?
Patay mo ito. Ano
Wanna buy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
Who's that?
No. Ah! Ah!
Ano lang, dahan-dahan lang.
What you see now is a typical North Korean family cooking. You can see this young wife outside starting a fire to
Kaya, Ching, alis ka muna dyan, Ching.
wood fires for cooking. They can't afford modern appliances.
You do this.
Women are struggling to push their bikes.
Papatay mo na, King, yung ay kakain. For tomorrow.
Let's go bukas.
Pasok.
Ano?
Meron na pasok tomorrow.